Hi, so today I want to make a video in support of your tendons. Now tendons are very important because they connect your bones, your muscles to your bones I should say. And normally we don't even think about them until we have issues like tendonitis, just a sign of an issue with your tendons. But the tendons are quite important in Chinese medicine because they're considered like telegraph lines to move qi. So we really want to keep good flow in your tendons, and you can think of them like silk. The ancient Chinese described them like silk, so you want a nice gentle flow in your tendons. You don't want to be herky-jerky because then they break, and if the silk breaks, then you have to tie it in a knot and it doesn't look very good. It doesn't work very well. So we want to support our tendons here. So we're going to focus on the ones in the hands and the wrist here. So with your hands down by your sides, get a nice solid posture, get a sense of your feet connecting with the floor. Get a sense of your spine being long and your knees are bent. Let your tongue rest behind the upper front teeth. Close the mouth. Start to breathe in a long, slow, deep pattern, expanding and relaxing the abdomen. And then take a moment and imagine that you have strings on your wrist like a puppet. We have string on the outside of the wrist and on the inside, on both sides here. And we're going to imagine these strings are directing the qi. So we're going to breathe in and we're going to be pulled up by our strings. Hands are heavy. Exhale, palms face towards. Face out, I should say, and then dropping down. Inhale, pulled up. Exhale, pulled back down. Good. Breathing in and out. And this flexing of the wrist is activating the qi in your arms, in your hands. Really good if you're doing a lot of computer work. Get energy moving in those hands, those wrists. Inhale and exhale. Let's do that one more time. Breathing in and out. And then do a few individually. So one hand and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Good. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in and out. And one more time here. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Letting the hands drop down to your sides. Take a moment of pause, just check in with your energy. Get a sense if you've released any tension here. I hope that helps. Have a great day. Take care.